Margin is a good faith deposit required by the broker so you can open and maintain a position. It is actually the minimum amount of cash required to have in your account at all times to cover any potential losses that may be incurred. Otherwise, margin call and perhaps stop out will be triggered. As you know, in the financial markets you can open positions greater than the amount you deposited. This is, of course, due to leverage. Hence, margin is closely related to the preferred leverage you choose. It is expressed as a percentage. For example, if you decide to choose a leverage of 1 to 100, then the corresponding margin required is 1%. Similarly, if the leverage is 1 to 50, then the required margin would be 2%. I guess you get the idea. 4% is the margin required for 1 to 25 leverage. Let's take a look at the following example. Say that you deposited 10,000 euros in your trading account and the preferred leverage is 1 to 100. Therefore, the margin required by the broker is 1%. Now, if you decide to buy one lot of Euro-US dollar, it simply means that you will buy 100,000 units of Euro-US dollar. The required margin will be calculated as follows. Margin equals 100,000 times 1 over 100, which is 1,000 euros. Additionally, if an exchange rate of 1.17 was used to place the above order, then the margin required may also be calculated in the quote currency, in this case the US dollar as shown below. 100,000 times 1.17 times 1 over 100 equals $1,170. Now you know what margin is.